Okay, for this next problem, we have a reaction here, and we have NOCl. We have that chemical breaking down into NO gas and Cl2 gas. And you've been given the equilibrium constant for the reaction, as well as the concentrations of NO and Cl2 at equilibrium. So again, like we'll do all the time, let's write out our equilibrium expression. Kc is equal to, again, products over reactants. So NO at equilibrium squared times Cl2 at equilibrium over our product NOCl at equilibrium squared. Okay, and then in this particular case, what we've been given Kc, we've been given the concentration of NO and the concentration of Cl2, and we have to solve for this piece that we don't have. I'm going to go ahead and do the algebra first then. So what I will end up ultimately doing is multiplying both sides by NOCl squared and dividing both sides by Kc. So Kc, NOCl squared at equilibrium is equal to NO at equilibrium squared times Cl2 at equilibrium over Kc. Well, I'm not totally done there yet. I still have my concentration of NOCl squared. And so the final step that I would have to do here is NOCl at equilibrium is equal to, I'm going to have to do a big square root of everything on the right-hand side. NO at equilibrium squared times concentration of Cl2 at equilibrium over Kc. Okay, at that point, we just have to look back into our problem and pull those pieces out. So Kc, try that again. I'm going to rewrite it so you have it on the page. NOCl at equilibrium is equal to the square root of NO at equilibrium times Cl2 at equilibrium over Kc. Now we'll put our numbers in here. I want to get that back down for you. Square root of, okay, need to pull out my NO. It's 2.2 molar squared times my Cl2 in the problem, 1.1, and divide that by the Kc that I've been provided, 2.1 times 10 to the minus 2. We could do all this with multiple parentheses. I, just to be more careful, like to do that square root last. So I just did the inside of the square root, which gives me 2.53 times 10 to the minus 2. And now in my last step here, I'll take the square root of that. Okay, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 1 molar. Okay, or 0.16. Gotta look at this right. Plus 1, which is 16 molar.